Hello students, next we are going to start exercise 4.4. This is based on the division. So they said solve the following. Like this way statement is there, 15 divided by 25. So we can write it 15 by 25. Now we have to cut it. If we can cut it, we have to cut. If not cutting, then like this way answer right. You know that in 5 table 15 is also coming, 25 is also coming. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So 3 by 5 is the answer. Okay. Next see B part, 24 divided by 3 by 8. Now when a divide sign is there in center, we can change it into multiply. But not only we can leave here this which number given, we have to take reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator will go up and denominator will come down. 8 by 3. So now we can cut 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24, 8 8s are 64 is the answer. So same as like this you can solve other. Next second also they said divide following, 5 by 8 by 45 by 16. Here by means divide sign is there, so we can write it 5 by 8 divide by 45 by 16. Here I told you when divide sign is there, this first one number same you will write, but when divide sign came multiply, this you have to take reciprocal, 16 by 45. Now do cutting, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Like this other all parts you can solve. Next see third word problem. In a park there is trail of 2 by 3 kilometer length. There are six parts of the trail and each part has the same length. How long is the each part of the trail? There is a trail of 2 by 3 meter length, means anything is there whose length is 2 by 3 kilometer. But total 6 parts are there. Suppose like this way anything is there, its total length is 2 by 3 kilometer. But in this full length total like this way 6 parts are there. They said find the length of each part. So this each part length we have to find. How we will find which total length is there, divide with the number of parts. So I will start here. See here, total length of trail. What is the total length of trail? 2 by 3 kilometer. So but total number of trails 6. We have to find length of each part of trail. Each part of trail total 2 by 3 divide with 6. So I told you if a divide sign is there we can multiply, but when a single number given means downside 1 is there, we can write it 1 by 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. 1 by 9 kilometer is answer. So next you can see other 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th part. You can see here they said Reshma bought total cloth this, but number of pillows she has to make 4. We want that what is the cloth for each pillow. Total cloth this much number of pillows she has to make. So cloth of for each pillow 49 by 10 divide by 4. Again 4 by 1 is there, means we can do 1 by 4 by multiply sign, then 49 by 40 came. Like this way same I have solved here 5th question. You can see then 6th question is also there. Perimeter given of square 4 by 5, but we know perimeter is 4 into side. Then we can fill here value of perimeter. 4 multiply by side, 4 will come this side and divide. After that divide sign is there, we can put here multiply and 1 by 4. 4 will cut with 4, 1 by 5 came. Same like this way last 7th part is there. So with this question our this chapter is finished.